TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, and this is the Tiger Financial News Network noon update. And we're looking at a Dow that's just made a new record high. 29,942 was the high today. 29,933 was the high a week ago. This is really important. We needed to see the candle that was made, the long-legged gap-up doji candle, not that long-legged, but at least a doji candle, opening and closing at about the same price last week, at least squeaked to a new recovery high, an all-time high in this case, and that was important. Now we've got the whole week to see whether or not there are at least two closes above 29,933. That would be a big positive. And it'll get the wave count. This is going to be E/C. I'm still giving you the alternate count, but so far the technicals are very good. And it's trading up 430 at 29,910. The S&P is at this particular moment, so the Dow's at 1.47%. The S&P is at 1.09%. And this is going to be fascinating because the Dow has become a leader of sorts with the IWM. This is really good. So the S&P is up 38 at 36.24. The daily chart says 36.45.99 was the high of last Monday. Somehow this week it's got to attempt in this rectangle formation to get there. That'll, of course, improve the doji candle and extend that leg that was made last week. Monthly chart, leg B, it says 2021 should still see a leg C and a leg D higher. The QQQs are lagging. QQQs are up $1.80 at 29.272, up 0.62. They are still consolidating huge gains earlier this year, going into the high that was made at 303.33. I would suspect that this rotation is allowing other areas, we'll talk about that in my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour, other areas to benefit. We're also looking at the IWM, which is up 2.38%, up 413 at 177.63. It hasn't broken above the 178.10 high of last Monday. It's really important that it does it. Gold is trying its best here. It's up 8 at 18.94. It's doing quite nicely, but it's really consolidating, and this is the big issue. Right now, it's important that the crude oil is acting quite well at 41. It needs to get to the 43s. I'll talk about it in my show coming up. Tiger Technicians Hour. Don't forget my webinar, all their webinar coming up this Thursday. Go to front page of the TFNN. Bargain.